Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover a hacked Facebook account. First of all, go to your Facebook help center, go to Safari, search for Facebook help center, and then scroll down, look for hacked accounts if you have the option. Next, verify your identity through email, phone or government ID, and change your password immediately once you get through it. Check login activity and remove unknown devices. That may mean if you remove the unknown devices, that means your hacker's device will also get removed. Only save your main device. After that, enable two-factor authentication. And yeah, safety tip: never click links from suspicious emails claiming recovery. Quick fix: try logging in from a trusted device used before, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.